Good morning, children. Today, let us learn or let us begin the second chapter in your grammar book, phrases. Before going to learn about the phrases, let us revise sentences. In the previous classes, we have discussed about sentences, children. What do you mean by sentence? Here, sentence means a group. Sentence is a group of words arranged to make complete sense. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense or meaning. Here, some group of words have been given to you, children. Let us find out whether they are sentences or not. The lion roared. Here, you can find a group of words and they are giving complete sense. Hence, it is a sentence. Is Donna at home? It's a question. And here also a group of words, they are giving complete meaning or sense. Hence, it is a sentence. Purba said to me. A group of words, but they don't give complete meaning. Fiza and Shazia will help you if. Again, you can find a group of words, but they don't give complete sense. I'm spending my vacation with my grandmother. A group of words, they are giving complete sense, hence it is a sentence. Which are the complete sentences in this? First, second, and fifth one are sentences, children. Here, to make sentence, we must have to follow a structure, children. To make a meaningful sentence, we must have to arrange the words systematically. How to frame the sentences? Here, a sentence has two distinct parts. Every sentence will have two parts. What they are? The subject, a verb, and sometimes the third part, the verb's object. Every sentence is made with three parts, or mainly with two parts, because object will not be there in every sentence, children. Object cannot be found in every sentence. These two, subject and verb, are the two main parts to frame a sentence. Words in a sentences are often arranged in order of subject, verb, and object in English. Here we must have to follow this structure to frame sentence. Subject, verb, and object. Let us see what do you mean by subject, verb, and object. The subject is the doer of the action. What is subject? What it does in the sentence? The subject does action in a sentence. What happens or the action is verb. And what do you mean by verb? Verb is an action word. The word which shows action is called verb. And the third part, and the object is person or thing affected by action. And what do you mean by object? Object is the person or thing affected by the action. Here remember, not all sentences have objects. Dear children, you need to remember, all the sentences will not have objects. Here you can find the lion roared. Here you can find only subject and verb. Lion is subject and roared is action. There is no object in a sentence. Here you can find the examples. I like ice cream. She bought some apples. I, who is doing action is in a sentence? The subject I is doing action. Like ice cream. Like is verb and ice cream is object. Remember, children, subject always comes in the beginning and verb comes after verb comes after subject, and object always comes at the end of a sentence. She bought some apples. Who is doing action in a sentence? Or who is the doer? She. She is doing action. What she is doing? She bought some apples. Bought is the past form of buy. She bought some apples. What she has bought? Bought. What she has bought? Apples. This is affected by action. She has bought what? Apples. Apples are object.